So part one, what are the McGill Big 3? Well, the main exercise that most people know is the bird dog. So going into that position, mainly for the posterior chain of muscles, the glutes, the lats, longissimus, iliocostalis, thoracolumbar fascia. That's that exercise. The second exercise is the side plank. For more the lateral musculature, possibly a bit of glute medius, glute minimus as well, but holding in this position. Third exercise is the modified curl up. In this position, not like a curl up where we round the lower back, but we maintain position of the lower back. So we can just use the hand for that and just lift the shoulder blades up. And then we hold this position. So we feel the abdominals. So this is more for the anterior musculature. So those are the 3 exercises. Now, what most people think they do is they think that they help them reduce pain. And indirectly and in some respects, yes, they do, but it's not as simple as if you do these 3 exercises, you will reduce your lower back pain. It depends on a few things. So what we're going to do in the next part is talk about that a little bit more.